Your Ford Explorer is overheating because of a failure in the cooling system, and you can fix this by replacing a stuck thermostat, a leaking water pump, or a blown radiator hose. Ignoring that rising temperature gauge will warp your cylinder heads and destroy the engine block. You must pull over immediately when the warning chimes start. The most common culprit on modern Explorers is a thermostat that fails to open. When it gets stuck closed, hot coolant cannot flow into the radiator to shed its heat. The engine temperature spikes rapidly. You will need a basic socket set, often utilizing a T30 or standard metric sockets, to access the thermostat housing. Another major failure point is the water pump. Over time, the internal seals wear out and coolant begins weeping from the weep hole. You can spot this by looking for crusty orange or green residue around the front of the engine block. A failing pump cannot circulate fluid fast enough to maintain safe operating temperatures. Before throwing parts at the problem, inspect your radiator and heater hoses for tiny pinhole leaks. The cooling system operates under high pressure. Even a tiny leak drops the pressure, lowering the boiling point of your coolant. Once you locate the cracked hose or faulty part, swap it out and bleed the air from the system completely.